guys, what's up? It's Friday today. My god, wow. Okay, so I was not planning to vlog this week, but since my trip, which I was planning to go next week, got cancelled because of the floods in Kurg. I was supposed to go Kurg with my family. So first we were supposed to go Tirupati and then Kurg. Also there's floods in Kerala, like I'm just praying so badly for them. I feel so sad. Let's just pray and let's just hope things get better soon. But otherwise, I decided to start the vlog right now because I just got this package from B Blunt first. Like, there's a letter. Such a pretty box. I don't wish to open it. Also, it's heavy kind of. Whoa. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Hair color. I don't color my hair, so my dad, so he'll be using this. It's coffee natural brown color. And then we also have coffee. Then we have this metallic silver pouch which says B Blunt. It's just newspaper inside, nothing else. Then we have a mirror which says B Blunt on the back side. Love this. And then we have this. It's like a, what do you call it? It says B Blunt Salon Secret Shine presents Shine with B Blunt, starring Dia Mirza, Sayami Kher and Ahana Kumra. I used to get haircuts from B Blunt because it was so close to my college, but now it's like far away, so that's why I don't go, because like hashtag lazy. Thank you so much B Blunt. And the next thing, there's a funny story behind it, okay? So a Zomato delivery guy comes to my door, rings the bell, and he's like, delivery, parcel. I'm like, I haven't ordered anything. What is it? What's the address? And he showed me the address and it was my address. And the person who ordered this was some other name, and I was like, but that's not my name and I didn't order this. So I was not taking it. And then he just called someone, and it's actually from my manager, my team. I think it's a cake. Now let's see what's inside. I got it's a cake for sure. It's so heavy. Welcome to the 100K Club TVF family. Thank you guys. This is so sweet. I was honestly not expecting, like, my celebrations of 100K got over last week itself. And now I'm like just thinking about what videos to post, and I'm just over that 100K. But this is such a sweet reminder. Thank you so much guys. Oh my god.
Chocolate!
Hi guys, it's Sunday today and I'm just trying to organize things, like it's like an everyday thing, like literally every week I have to organize things. So firstly I just like to show you guys this. So remember this drawer thing I got from Miniso? I am using it so nicely, like I'm proud of it. I have all my hair clips here, I'll put all my earrings here, my mom's earrings are here, and wow, sorry. And oh my god, no, don't fall. Don't fall, okay, please. So, okay. I guess now it's fine. So, again. So, wow, okay, forget it. I just have me and my mom's watches here. And then I'll just arrange some lipsticks here, which I wear on like that daily basis. Then I just have some flowers, which I use for the shoot and everything. And then my DIY, I'm not really using this to like store or hang my earrings. I should. I mean, I'll just tell my mom because I don't wear earrings a lot. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just trying to clean my makeup brushes now. So I always have like a box of candies, and yep, this is from that DIY. So I just have this one box and I just need my body moisturizers right in front of me because I tend to forget about it. So what I do is I just keep them here on the table. So I'm just putting them in a box, pretty box, instead of just keeping it like that, and that way they are still in front of me and it's also kind of not looking really bad. I really have a sad moment here. This is actually a necklace that I wore on my birthday, and like 10,000 people, not 10,000 but like at least 10 people asked me where the necklace is from, and it's so pretty, but now it's like all ruined. Like there was a crystal here which is still fine, so I might just remove this and use it somewhere else or something. I don't know, but the chain is like entirely gone. Also guys, a lot of you were asking me where I sell my old clothes, like pre-owned clothes, not old clothes. There are like new clothes as well. Okay, let me just show you guys this. And most of them are like new and hardly used, like this dress. Wait, let me just show you guys. This is from Zaful, and it's listed right now on Kootloot. So if you wanna buy it, you can. It has tag on it if you can see, and it has a nice tie-up thing, and like it's a really cute dress with like stripes on it. So if you want to purchase such things, then go check out my Kootloot profile and buy it already, because things are just one. Like I just have this one piece. This I have never worn. It's a t-shirt dress. Shorts are way too big for me. Also this dress, I got it a year back, but I never got the chance to wear it. I guess I'm low on energy now, so I'll just leave everything right now as it is and go have something. This is the spiciest Maggie, not Maggie actually, noodles I have ever made. It's the top ramen fury chili with extra chili powder, cheese, chili flakes, and I was just craving for something really spicy. Tirupati Laddu is the best. Okay, I also got new books. I opened the package already because like no patience at all. So one is this, The Power of Conscious Mind. Then I got this, Mahashweta, it's a story. And then last book I got is this, Think and Grow Rich. Hey guys, I'm in the mall right now, and I just came to purchase a kurti for tomorrow. It's Raksha Bandhan tomorrow, so I just came for that. And I'm going to Miniso right now, so yeah, let's just go ahead and see if they have anything new. If not, then I'm not going to purchase anything, but I'll just show you guys around. So yeah, let's go.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la. When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la. When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la. When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in.
You know what time it is. It's time for a haul. So glad that I went Miniso right when it opened, like within first few weeks, because now when I went there, only the makeup portion was new, makeup and skincare. Rest everything was just the same. Also, I couldn't find Pingu there, so Pingu was sold out. Watch my last Miniso haul to know who Pingu is. Anyways, the first thing that I got is this shower cap. It's like satin shower cap. So this is what it looks like. It's plastic inside, and yeah. Next thing I got is this. It's a hair cutting scissor. Sorry guys, I don't have scissors with me. Talking while I have scissors, but I don't have scissors to open this. So it has like tiny comb, so it's like perfect for hair cutting. And the next thing I got is a perfume. So it's a crystal diamond perfume, pure and fresh, and it was for 350 rupees. So This is what it looks like. So pretty. I love the way it looks. And the smell is also good. I hope it's long lasting. Next thing that I got is this. It's a eyebrow kit and it comes with an angled brush and two shades, which you can see right here. I usually use this shade for my eyebrows. So this was for 190 and I thought it's worth the price because it comes with an angular brush, plus you can, you know, just take it with you because like mirror is there, so like good for travel purposes. And the last thing, yeah, the last thing, I didn't go crazy this time. This is in the shade 01 Deep Nude. They didn't have testers, like they had testers for lipsticks, and to be honest, like I didn't find their lipsticks to be that interesting. I haven't even read any reviews about it. Also, I have a lot of lipsticks, like you guys know it. So why isn't this opening? So that's why I didn't get lipsticks. Okay, finally. These are the colors. These are the shades, and it's really shimmery. Like shimmer is all over my camera also right now, and I think it's perfect for like Indian wear, like you know, शादी वादी के लिए एकदम perfect. It's time for some clothes. So we got a lot of clothes. Everything is for my mom. Just one kurti is for me. Here's my kurti. And I got it from West Side, if you're wondering. And it's like a really long kurti, like a maxi dress kind of kurti with buttons and a belt. Love the print on it. It's like perfect for Diwali, right? And it also has flowers collar. 3/4 sleeves, not actually 3/4. It's the sleeves is this much. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow, so you guys will see it anyway. Mom, can I show your clothes? Yes. But then who will fold it? Anyway, my mom also got few kurtis. This is one. Really loved the print on it. It's like mandala. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And 3/4 sleeves, and like this is the print on the front, and this is the print on the back. Then we have a dark grey kurti. There will be no bright colors in this haul because it's like my mom's office wear clothes. So this is what the kurti looks like, all plain and grey. Next one is my favorite. Like I wish I got this in my size. No, but anyway, I don't wear a lot of kurtis, so that's okay. This is what it looks like. It's like a really nice mint color, and it's plain. This is what the close-up looks like. I believe the close-up will tell you more about the cloth, like the texture of the cloth. Oh, I also got this crop top for me. This one is my favorite. From the top, it's like this. Yes, it's great pattern, and it has buttons on the top, and then it's like anarkali. So this is the print. Last kurti that my mom got, and this is what it looks like. The material is very good, like feels rich, and this is what it looks like. Wait a sec. Wait for it. Wait for it. It has buttons all over in the front, and yeah, that was the haul. That is all we got today. You want to see the time I'm doing this haul right now? 12:43. Need to go to sleep. Okay, bye. Guys, I wore this and I didn't realize this yesterday, but this has pockets. Oh my god, it's so comfortable, by the way. Like, I'm so happy. Guys, it's Sunday and the day is over. I didn't vlog anything. I just remember vlogging about my pocket. So yeah, but Rakhi went well, and I tied 3 Rakhis. All of them were cousins. I didn't vlog it. I know it's really awkward vlogging with family. Please, I'm just not used to it. So excuse me for that. And yeah, anyway, I just wanted to quickly end the vlog here itself. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And I also wanted to like just remind you, if you haven't yet, you know, donated for Kerala, please do it. Even if it's like a tiny amount, just 50 rupees or 100 rupees, please do it. It will make a difference, I swear. So don't forget to do that. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.